Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel, your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good at preparing for SBIClerk 2022, and I am providing my daily to-do list videos for SBIClerk 2022, and you can join with me and make your timetable. And my daily to-do list videos are very helpful for all our upcoming exams. And who are new to my daily to-do list videos, don't worry about 70 plus days. And daily I changed my topics and is useful for beginners, so don't worry about that. So who are beginners, they can easily understand my daily to-do list videos. So you can start your preparation from today onwards. And also I am providing daily vocabulary words and small tips and tricks. And start your preparation from today onwards. And if you start from today onwards, you will definitely clear your prelims exam. And if you have any doubts, you can connect him in my Telegram group. And I will provide that link in description. Join my Telegram group for more daily updates and latest updates, and also for better understanding I am providing subtitles also. So while playing my video, on CC option on the top right corner of my video. And let's start our to-do list. As usual, daily in morning till 11 am schedule is same, and that is before 9 am revise all basics of each subject like formulas, tables, squares, and some brief notes of your weak areas. And also attempt English quizzes from Adda247 website. They provide daily quizzes, so attempt all quizzes on daily basis. And after that, give 1 hour for watching editorial video from Adda247 YouTube channel or from Murthy sir YouTube channel. So daily watch editorial video. And after that, on daily basis, attempt a prelims mock test from one of your purchased source or from free source. And for that mock test, I suggest you, for beginners, purchase textbook test series, and that is very useful. And who are already preparing, they can purchase Hollywood or Smart Kida. And also first attempt a free mock test from the test series, and then choose which is best as per your convenience. And those are very helpful for all our prelims and mains exam. So choose the best as per your convenience and attempt a prelims mock test on daily basis. And after that, give 1 hour for each subject of quant, reasoning, and English for practicing prelims level. So tomorrow for quant section, there is a video of mixture and allegation, part 2 video in Hollywood YouTube channel. So tomorrow for quant section, watch that video of mixture and allegation, and that is very helpful for all our prelims exams. So watch that video. And for reasoning section of prelims level, there is a video in Hollywood YouTube channel for the topic of direction sense by Nikita ma'am. So tomorrow for reasoning section of prelims level, watch that video for the topic directions by Nikita ma'am, and that is very helpful for all our prelims exams. So watch that video tomorrow. And in afternoon, I planned for mains preparation. And who are beginners, they all revise and practice PDFs and also attempt quizzes for your weak areas where you are lacking. And we have many free sources. And also give 1 hour for English section of prelims level. And for that English section of prelims level for beginners, tomorrow watch video from Hollywood YouTube channel of top 50 close test video part 2. So tomorrow watch that video for English section for beginners. And also give your time to you as much as possible for practicing prelims level for all sections. And who are preparing for mains, tomorrow for quant section, there is a video from Hollywood YouTube channel of RBSTEN's mains expected questions of quant section. So watch that video from Hollywood YouTube channel for tomorrow. And for reasoning section of mains, there is a video in Hollywood YouTube channel of RBSTEN's reasoning mains level puzzles by Nikita ma'am. So tomorrow watch that video for reasoning mains. And for English section of mains, there is a video of RBSTEN's mains level English class 1 from Hollywood YouTube channel. So tomorrow watch that video for English section of mains preparation. And if you have any doubts about these videos, PDFs and quizzes, you can ask in my Telegram group, Your Bankers Mantra, and I will provide that link in description. And also in my Telegram group, I am sharing every topic's video links and PDFs and also quizzes. So join my Telegram group for more daily updates and also for latest updates. And in evening, give your time for reading current affairs at least 2 hours. So read daily current affairs. And last week we completed February month current affairs. And from tomorrow onwards, start from March first week current affairs from the sources of Adda247 or Study IQ or Affairs Cloud. And I am suggesting affairs cloud is the best to read current affairs. And after that, attempt second prelims mock test of the day and analyze the 2 marks of your weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on a paper and spend more time on your weak areas and note down all your weak areas and make timetable according to your weak areas, and that is for tomorrow's to-do list. And be consistent and confident on your preparation, and thanks for being with me, and also thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates.